In this video, I want to talk about this secondary climate control panel down here. This is one of the things I really like about the GV60 because I want physical control for climate control. When I'm driving, I want to quickly be able to change settings without having to look down. But this thing also has some additional features that's kind of cool. Now, start with the obvious physical button for temperature. This is the easiest, right? Up to increase the temperature, down to decrease it. Cannot be simpler than that. And then usually I have it on auto. So this is the auto button, and you have 3 levels of fan speed. You can see it on the digital display as well, but the 3 lights kind of tell you what mode it is on. You can turn on recirculation or off. There's the air filter, by the way, that is in the front that you can change. So that is the basic control. Now, the touch screen is interesting. The fan speed can be adjusted using these 2 icons here. Right, so go up, go down. And I cannot show it to you on the video, but the entire display has haptic feedback. So when I press it, I can actually feel a little click. And that's just really, really nice. If you use a smartphone, you know what I mean. So I can kind of tell that the click is active. Now, there's also a beeping noise. So that's also confirmation. AC, driver side only, that's pretty obvious, and heating. But one thing that I want to show you that you can look closely are these lines. So here, right, the middle shows kind of lines, and the top and the bottom are grayed out. This is showing the airflow. So if I want airflow to come to the bottom at the feet, I click on that, and now that becomes lines. If I want it to go both windshield, center, and below, then touch it, and they're all lines, right? So if I do this, then the air is only coming out from the bottom. And then you can control either side as well, which is kind of nice. Only thing I have to say though, this is not really obvious, right? Like, is dark with airflow or without airflow? So after using it, I kind of know, with the lines, it is airflow. So lots of things to play with. And then you have sync, the windshield heating, and so forth. But in general, this is just a very functional display that works really well, especially when I'm actually driving. So the climate control sub-display panel, if you like, on the Genesis GV60.